Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant October release. This is Rena. Today we're going to take a look at Hey Neighbor, and it is this amazing brownstone, and it comes with a couple of critters that you can insert into the little windows. I think it's so cute. It even comes with a couple of holiday related little stamps like the wreath and the two little birdies with the fur hats on. But you can make this, whatever theme or holiday you like. Here's a look at the coordinating dies for Hey Neighbor, and it cuts out that entire building, and also it cuts out the insides of the windows and that top circle window as well. So I am still battling this cold, so you might hear me out of breath and struggling to talk. I hope this goes away soon. So I love this building. This is a brownstone building, I believe. And I believe these are typical in like the New York area and like Manhattan and Brooklyn. And I just love it. I love the little critters that come with it. It's so cute. And as always, you can use different parts of the stamp sets to coordinate with your other stamp sets to make your own scene. I was dying to also color this in like a haunted house color, but I first wanted to start off with coloring it like the normal color that it is. It's also a bit deceiving on camera because it looks like this huge thing that you have to color, but really the surface area that you have to color is really small. You don't have to color the inside of the windows because if you have the coordinating die, it cuts it out. So you don't have to color it. This is one of those stamp sets where when you color it once the first time, then the second time is it goes a lot quicker because I was still trying to figure out, okay, like what color do I want to color the roof? What color do I want to color the trim? And I kind of wanted to keep it consistent. Like I wanted like the thin pieces of the trim to be like a darker gray and like the middle pieces a lighter gray. So once you kind of have your plan down, like the next ones you color go super quick. Also, I am happy to report that finally the weather, at least where I live, has calmed down. It was this like intense heat wave, and it was insane. And now that it's over, it's so nice to experience like regular weather again, because it got hot here, and it's so funny because every time the anniversary release rolls around, it's always the hottest time of the year, and it's like you're working on like holiday projects and it just doesn't match. But at least it's gone cooler here. The one thing that I don't like about this time of year is that it gets darker earlier because of the time change and all that. Because I get really spoiled when it's still daylight out when it's 8 p.m. because you can, like, I think psychologically I can get more stuff done because it's daylight. Because once it's nighttime, I'm done. Like, let's go to bed. I will put the Copic marker colors I used in the description box below. For the browns here, I just used the E30s, E31, E33, E35. I think those are easy to blend, and it was like kind of like the tone of brown I was looking for because I wanted it to match like a real brownstone. And For the awning, I had really liked that olive green color that I used for yesterday's stamp set. So I decided to use that again. That was like YG, I think 95 and 97. I also wanted to color in this image using like a Halloween spooky theme. So I did color an experiment off camera on making like a haunted house, and I love the way it turned out because I wanted to use the little, I think is it Little Boo agenda? It's the little agenda with the ghost. And I loved how that card came out. I will put the Copic markers down below for like the haunted, spooky version. I just am so into Halloween right now because it's close by, and I don't know what it is about the places that I work, but every place that I've worked makes Halloween such a big deal. Like every place has like this party, and then there's like contests, and then there's like this trophy. And I think even one year, for one of the companies that I worked for, um, me and a couple of the girls did this like dance to Survivor Beyonce, and we had this whole choreographed thing because like our department had this like Survivor theme. It's when Survivor was really big. I don't know, but I'm really into the Halloween spirit right now. So here's what it looks cut out. As you can see, it cuts out the windows, and that is the spooky version I made of the brownstone, and I just loved how it turned out. So since we worked really hard on these images, um, I wanted to keep the background like super simple. So we're taking the die cuts, and we're just going to adhere them to the front of the card front using double-sided foam adhesive. So I wanted to pop up that main image so I can pop in the inserts. Because my background is a green color, I wanted the windows to show a different color than green. So since I had saved the die cuts of the window inserts, I just decided to pop them back in, and it looks so nice in real life, because it's kind of inset in, and it looks really nice when you put the animals. So I'm adhering all of the images from the stamp set, and I wanted to use that cute little wreath and all the animals, and you can put it in whatever order that you like. But they came out so cute. I love it. So next we're going to work on the spooky version of this card, and I'm going all out with the black cardstock, and same layout. I'm doing the double-sided foam adhesive on the main image, and then I will be inserting in the inserts that naturally cut out when you die cut it. Just so it creates a little inset feel. I'm not going to put the ghost inside it. I just kind of put the ghost kind of flying around outside. So here's my confession. I was too lazy to figure out what colors to use for the ghost. I mean, it's not a lot of coloring, but they come with like little hats, and there's like a little broom and stuff. So I decided to color all of the ghosts gray, even their little brooms and hats and stuff. And I love the look of it because they're ghosts, right? So they don't have color. And I just like the way it looked, just coloring everything like a light gray color. So this is a previously released little agenda set. I think it's a little Boo Agenda, I believe is what it's called. So I wanted to add a little bit more color to these. I love the way they look, but I felt like it needed a little bit more. So I cut out some red hearts and some black and white stars, and I'm just kind of putting them here and there to accent the main image. So I really liked the addition of the hearts, and even that little window up on top. It's just a circle, and I like how the heart looks inside of it. It looks really cute. And for the ghost, I did black and white stars, and I did do a black star on the top where that circle window is. After I'm done adhering all of the star and heart accents, I will be mounting them into card bases off camera, and after that I am calling these cards done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe and happy crafting. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.